lovies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya M and thank you for tuning in. If you are a avid watcher, if you are a loyal subscriber, I want to thank you from the bottom of my lovely little heart for keeping tuned in, staying with me, continuously clicking on those videos, clicking likes, commenting. I appreciate the comments, the likes, all of that. Please don't forget to share this video. And if you are not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Like, I can look at my statistics and most of y'all watch my video are not subscribed. So just do yourself a favor. And go ahead and click that subscription button, because girl, I'm telling you, I'm coming out with so many more things. I have so many more projects lined up and I want you to be a part of it. I want you to be here. I want you to be notified. Hit the notification bell as soon as you hit the subscription button down below. Okay, I think it's on this side, down below. Okay. So today I'm going to be talking about this wig that I am wearing. If you are interested in this eye look, please stay tuned to my channel. I will be having a video up showing you a tutorial and what products I use. Okay, so this hair that I am wearing is from a company called Diosa hair. They are on Amazon. I did purchase this wig through Amazon. If you have Amazon Prime, the shipping will be free and fast. It is their Italian light Yaki lace front wig, 14 inches. So it is the Italian Yaki, which really very much mimics African American blown out, or blown out hair, but it really mimics our natural hair as Black women. So this is one of the hair types that I do really suggest if you're trying to look natural and have a nice wig, but you don't want to like look too, you know, too done up. This is definitely a type of hair texture that you could be looking for. It's 150% density, which is somewhat as it got to the ends, and you'll see in the video, as it got to the ends, it got thinner, and I did cut those thin ends off. It shows you the picture, and it literally is the same hair texture. Now the lace does go back about 4 to 5 inches. However, it doesn't go all the way from ear to ear, 4 to 5 inches. It tapers off like a lot of wigs do tend to. So I think like right here. So it's a good end. Like you have like all that 4-inch parting in this area, and then it tapers off to the side. I don't know if I'll be wearing this in an updo. It doesn't really matter to me. I did bleach the knots. It bleached perfectly. It said it came with bleach knots, but I did have to bleach the knots, unfortunately. Which is no big deal for me, because that's what I do. Like, I know how to do that. But for somebody who doesn't know how to bleach the knots, you probably don't even need to bleach the knots, to be honest. Like, I just like to bleach the knots to give it a more realistic look. The lace was like a brown color, so I didn't have to tint the lace to match my complexion. It was fine. It was very fine. Like, the lace was fine. The hairline did come, it looked like, yeah, it says pre-plucked, so it definitely is pre-plucked. The hairline came pre-plucked. I appreciate it. I did pluck a little bit more to my liking, but I didn't have to do much. Like, I didn't have to spend an hour plucking, and I was loving that. So I did bleach the knots, and then I washed it, let it air dry. It did suggest that you let the hair air dry, so I washed it, let it air dry, and then I put these curls in, and I showed you how. As far as how it holds up, I would say the curls hold up pretty well. I think this side is a little flat, but I think that's how I curled it. I don't think I curled it good enough at the bottom. But this side, I started off, strong. I started off strong and kind of like, was rushing through at the end. But it holds curls very well. It's still long on me. I'm 5'2". I consider this long for 14 inches. And maybe actually the wig probably was way longer than 14 inches. I'm gonna say that it says 14 inches, but it came a little bit longer. So I love this hair. I'm so glad I installed this, because I'll be wearing this for the rest of the week until I have to do another review, which I'm gonna be sad to even take this off. I'm gonna see how this fares. I'm gonna make sure that I do my nightly routine like wrapping the hair properly and making sure that the curl stays intact throughout the week. Thanks for watching. If you want to know where I purchased this wig, what vendor, I will post a link to the hair down below on Amazon, and then you can go there and purchase. I'll also be posting the link to my Instagram and my Facebook fan page down below, so you can follow me and keep up to date, interact. I'm trying to post more interactive things, especially on my Instagram story. So if you're on Instagram, everybody should be on Instagram. Go ahead and create a page. If you're not, you don't have to post, but be there and show up and show out. And yeah, so again, for this makeup look, please stay tuned, because I will be posting a video on how I did it and what products I use. Thanks for watching. Mwah. Love you guys.